Welcome to this Fabricville tutorial. Today we are going to make a side slant pocket or Italian pocket. This pocket has slanted entry and is usually placed on the sides of pants and skirts. Here are the pieces of a side slant pocket. The front side, which is also the pocket pouch, the pocket lining, and the garment front with the slant opening. To start, I lay the pocket lining on the garment front, right sides together, and I stitch along the slanted line. I turn the pocket to the interior and press. Then I top stitch the edge. I place the pocket entry on the front side of the garment. I'm going to pin the pocket pouch to the pocket lining and stitch the edge. Then I finish the edge with a serger or a zigzag stitch. The top of the pocket will be sewed to a belt or the top of the garment, and the side will be taken in the lateral seam. You know now how to make a side slant pocket. Thanks for watching.